check it out. I'm taking a little walk to the grocery store and stumbled upon some really nice, healthy looking plants. You can't sleep on the plants in the grocery store, guys. There's some pretty good specimens sometimes. Look at all these beautiful colors and varieties. Loving all the different types and colors of calla lilies that they have. And look at this selection of orchids. Very nice. These are so nice. Ooh, this is a foxglove. Ooh. What's up, guys? I'm here today to do a little bit of garden maintenance. Been having a little trouble with some of my plants. I'm going to flip the camera and let you see all the new things that I've done. So you can see here on my little lime hydrangea bush, it is starting to push out buds, but it has a really bad case of chlorosis. The leaves are very yellow and it's not really going to produce much for me this year, I don't think. And that is with all of them. There's 3 of them here in this front bed, and all 3 of them have this yellowing of the leaves. Although, like I said, it is pushing out buds and I will get some flowers this year. So I went to the garden center today and I decided to buy some angelonias that are in full bloom, just to kind of break up some of the greenery that's here in the front. So I have 2 pots of angelonias here, and I'll just take a wide shot and you can see that it is breaking up some of the greenery. Now I do have something that's been eating some of my plants here. See the damage here? I think it's slugs or snails that have been eating the coleus and the daisies there. But the verbena, I had cut it back a little bit and it's starting to send out buds, and I'll get some flowers soon. And if you can see in the very back there, I planted some purple fountain grass, kind of waiting for that to mature in the fall, and it's already sent out a little bud there. So that is my front garden update. Now I also picked up these beauties, these beautiful yellow cannas in these gorgeous looking blue pots with some potato vines there trailing off. And I thought for the rest of the summer, those would be pretty nice flanking the front door. I picked up these. It's called the Mother Hen Fertilizer. One for my rose bushes, one for my flower beds. It says here that they're natural fertilizers made from, I guess, composted hen manure. So they seem to have the right numbers along the bottom there, and they have some calcium. So I'm gonna add them to the flower beds and see if that gives my garden the little boost that it probably needs. Now, one of the things that you have to do in a garden that's kind of compulsory is deadheading. So I've been spending most of my day deadheading all of my perennials. I've been taking out all the spent blooms off of my spirea and, you know, some like this just to clean up the garden a little bit. And any of these flowers that might have been spent. Because once you deadhead your plants, the plant will send up some new buds and it'll keep your perennials looking nice for the whole rest of the season. Now this is my flower bed with my beautiful cannas in here and my foxgloves. And I happened to notice today this beautiful sight. I think I'm gonna get a foxglove bloom this year. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Now this is my bloomerang lilac bush, and it blooms twice a season. As you can see, it's finished blooming its second time, so I'm starting to cut it back and give it a better shape. So that's a wrap, guys. I'm gonna spend the rest of the day having a nice walk by the lake. So thank you very much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't joined our family yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right, take care. Enjoy the rest of your day.